mountain in the heart of Switzerland. It's as well the name of the manufacturing company of our aircraft. I would like to take the opportunity to introduce the commander of the PC-7 team. It's Colonel Werner Hoffmann, a very experienced professional pilot, former F-18 fighter pilot and member of the Patrouille Suisse and commander of the Squadron 11. He's equipped with a radio and he gives direct corrective instructions to the pilots if necessary, so that you can enjoy a great slightly to the back. And there the new formation up in the sky over Malta. Now the weather has cleared up. Look at this beautiful aircraft, whites and reds in the blue sky over Lucca Airport here in Malta. And in order to perform a display of such precision and quality. The name of this formation, it's our tennis racket. So the rackets of the famous Swiss tennis player Looping Adue. Ladies and gentlemen, if you have a camera, please keep it ready and check out what happens once the looping is completed. Wow, what an impressive crossing! And next shot, second crossing of the two solists. Inverted flight, last flight, and as he is always focusing on the field, if you have anything to wave and, you know, caps and sun umbrellas, I'm sure he will see. He's coming from the left now, pulling up for the spin. Up he goes, and you can see the wind, the effect it has. Minimum speed reached now, and there he goes, he falls into the spin. You don't have to be frightened. First, the aircraft is very good controllable, and DJ is a very experienced pilot, and there he goes. That was the spin. Wow, what a maneuver here over the airport. Now reducing the speed to 140 knots, extending the landing gear, switching on the recognition lights to finally form a tunnel. Our second solist, Captain David Mont, coming from the opposite direction with an airspeed of about 250 knots and will now fly through the tunnel. So the tunnel on your left, the tunnel driver on your right, and now let's keep the eyes wide open. There he goes, right into the middle of his friends. Thank you very much. And now, from the right, there he goes. DJ approaching the fields, and what he will demonstrate is a standing 8. So basically that's just two loopings on top of each other. Speed now, 250 knots, and he pulls up for the first half loop. There he goes, now he rolls in normal position, adding full power and goes for the top loop. In the meantime, I would like to point out our website, www.pc7-team.ch. Please visit us there, join us on Facebook, write your comments, and there you find all the details on how to book us. So DJ is now completed at the bottom loop. That was the standing 8. Thank you, DJ. Wow, now there he goes, performing for you a daring turn as a test pilot on the Havilland DH-108 aircraft. Now over the radar tower, coming out, blue sky, wonderful weather here. And we really want to thank you guys here in Malta that we could come back to see you here after 5 years absence. Now here we go for the mini diamond crossing. Let me explain to you one of the difficulties while flying, as those guys constantly add and reduce power. To your right, now heading again towards the airport, The first subformation